Let's see how to register on Binance. We have to enter our email and password, which must have at least one capital letter and one number. Accept the terms and conditions and click Create Account. This verification method will appear. We slide the piece and that's it. Next, we have to enter the verification code that we have received by email, and the account is activated. We go to the dashboard. An important step is the two-step verification by text message or Google Authenticator. I choose by text message. It is very simple. We select the country and enter the phone number. I can't enter mine because I've already used it for verification. After entering the mobile number, click Send Code. Write the code received by SMS. Click Send Code by email. Enter the code received by email and click Send. Another important step is to validate your identity. On the main screen, you will see the steps you must follow to validate the profile and be able to deposit funds. I'm going to try the validation with another number to show you how to do it. I type in the phone number, click Send Code. Type in the code. Click Send Code by email. Type in the code and send. The validation is now complete, and we can deposit funds. Here, the account appears as unverified because the identity needs to be verified. This means that the account has some limitations. For example, if you try to buy Ethereum, you will see a limit of 5,000 euros. You need to validate your identity to be able to trade normally. On the main screen you will see this option, Verify Identity. Here you have to add your personal details, address, and your ID to validate your identity.